Have trouble keeping your spirits up? We've got some cool ideas for that work. Sure as shooting! Just watch our new video and make stress toys. A smiley, a rainbow, sushi, and soap bubbles will put a smile back on your face immediately. Bunny is sick and tired of her life. She sits on a couch, idly watching TV. Is she going to break the record in flipping through channels? Dolly doesn't approve of the idea. She rushes into the room and suggests having a lot of fun. It's time to get up from the couch. The whole world is waiting for you outdoors. Stand up. Come on. Move. Let's have some adventures. Bunny is still out of spirits. The air is way too fresh. Her friend is way too happy. And the fruit is way too sweet. How can I make Miss Grumpy smile? We need a big smiley right now. Fill a big yellow balloon with starch. Use a funnel. Tie a knot. Add bright knitting yarn pieces. Draw a funny smiley on the balloon with a black marker. Dolly gives Bunny a new friend. This yellow baby is made to cheer you up and make you smile. Stretch it and its smile becomes wider. It helps to cheer up my friend. It's a pity it doesn't last long. The smile seems to be not her cup of tea. Is she allergic to yellow? Miss Grumpy is not that easy to cheer up. None of Dolly's tricks help. Bunny looks unhappy. A whole cloud of blue thoughts appears above her head. Dolly wants to drive away all the clouds over her friend's head and turn them into a bright rainbow. Hot glue polyester fiber filling to both ends of a slinky. Shape a white cloud. Cut drops out of a blue foam rubber sheet. Cut out lightning out of gold cardboard. Hot glue the lightning and the drops to the cloud. Dolly shows her friend a rainbow appearing from a cloud. This is so funny! You can feel like a weather goddess. But Bunny still doesn't like it. Even the rainbow fades away with this mood. Bunny runs away from the annoying friend. Dolly decides to use a well-known antidote for stress: soap bubbles. Come on, Miss Grumpy, play with me. It seems that the soap method works, but Dolly gets excited too soon. Bunny agrees to play, only to get rid of her annoying friend. She hurries up to go away as soon as possible. But Dolly doesn't give up that easily. She has prepared a whole balloon of soap bubbles. Make a soap solution by mixing water with dish soap. Prick an empty soap bubble container with an awl a few times. Put it into a big balloon and hot glue to the neck. Pour the soap solution into the container. Fill the entire balloon. Bunny pretends that she likes her friend's invention a lot. Soap bubbles and a balloon? 2 in 1! It's so great! However, in a few minutes, the fickle girl gets bored with the soap bubbles, the balloon, and her friend. She leaves Dolly with her hurt feelings alone. Dolly is deeply resenting it, and she always starts doing her makeup whenever she's nervous. Now, it's Bunny's turn to cheer up her friend. But Dolly is unappeasable. She tried her best to raise her friend's spirits, while Bunny was so ungrateful. However, Bunny has a plan. She only needs her friend's EOS for it. Cut a foam plastic ball in half. Make a hole inside. Wrap the ball with a foam rubber sheet. Heat it using a hairdryer to make the foam rubber keep shape. Hot glue it to the ball. Cut off the excess. Repeat for the other half. Fasten Velcro to both details to let it join into the ball. Make slime. Mix stationery glue with shaving cream. Add Add acrylic paint. Pour in some liquid laundry detergent. Stir until you get the slime. Put it inside the ball. Make an EOS inscription using a modeling tool. Bunny gives Dolly the giant EOS. Open it up. There's a surprise gift inside. Dolly stretches out the pink slime inside the EOS. You can't be bored with it. And all quarrels are forgotten. A great fortune teller, Esmeralda, is waiting for a guest. She can see her coming with her third eye. Here she comes. Poor girl. She needs help immediately. Don't worry, Esmeralda will come to the rescue. Let's read your palm lines. Well, all 5 fingers are in place. That's good. The lifeline is very long, stretching to your elbow, so there is no need to worry. But let's look into my crystal ball. Put glitter and sequins into a clear plastic ball container. Fill it with baby oil. Use a syringe to make the job easier. Fill the syringe with colored water. Eject the colored water drops into the oil. Hot glue the hole. Esmeralda knows a thing or two about special effects. The ball turns bright. Magic outside Hogwarts? Take a closer look. Poor girl! So bright and rich your life will be. Glamour and magic will surround you. So take the ball and see by yourself. Esmeralda doesn't lie. The frog can prove it. Redhead has a new friend. Cactus George keeps her spirits up with its spines. And there is nothing that can raise Dolly's spirits. She suffers from terrible pain in her neck and shoulders. Redhead tries to help, but the massage only makes it worse. She feels like a cactus herself. Redhead comes up with an idea to make a new stress-reducing massage tool. Cover a rubber ball with light clay. Shape small spines over the entire surface. Let it harden. Put the ball in a cup. Paint the spines with white acrylic paint. I am massaging my friend's muscles with my new cactus massage tool. It works quite well. Dolly feels better at once. She likes the effect so much that she asks her friend to massage her back and even her knees. Should we open a cactus spa salon? The cactus massage will be a roaring success. Redhead seems to be way too anxious. Even an anti-stress coloring book doesn't help. Well, it's dangerous to stay with such a furious person in one room. I need to calm her down right now. Soak colored Orsby's balls in water. Let them sit for a few hours to swell up. Put them in a big clear bubble balloon. Tie it up with a rubber band. Add a ribbon. I bring the stress ball filled with Orsby's balls to my friend before she turns the entire room into a mess. I put it into her hands carefully. A cool squishy stress reliever works magic. Redhead becomes as nice as she's always been. Relax. Take it easy. We are waiting for a food delivery. There are traffic jams in the city. The delivery is delayed, and our hunger becomes stronger every minute. My friend argues with a manager and even with an answering machine. My hungry friend needs a stress reliever as soon as possible. And once there is no real food, I will try a soothing substitute. Wrap a pink sponge in plastic wrap tightly. Cut out a bigger sponge. Spray paint a piece of thin sponge green and wrap it around the pink cylinder. Tape it to fasten. Hot glue the bigger sponges on top. Put hot glue drops on the sponge to imitate rice. Paint it white. Spray paint 2 thin sponges black. Hot glue them to the roll. I conjure a roll for my friend. Though being a fake, it calms us down pretty well. We'll use the squishy until real food comes. The roll is so soft and funny. It can make time fly faster while we are waiting. Did you like our new weird stress toys? Then write in your comments how you are going to reduce your stress. And don't forget to give your thumbs up.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind, blow your mind.